Hello everyone, this is Naveen Kumar. So once again I have came here just for another video for PTE course. So this video will be about describe image, which is the third part of speaking. In this part you will have to describe an image in a way that it's very easy, and we have the templates for describing the images. You just have to see the picture and just fill out the words from the picture or the things from the picture in this template. For the easiness, you can see the next video. As you can see on the screen, there is a bar chart, and let me tell you how you can describe this chart in PTE Core or PTE Academy or PTE UKVI. We have a template, and as you can see on the parallel screen, there is a template as well. And let me fill the details according to the template. So how can I say about it? This is a bar chart which gives information about oil production capacity. I can see there are some categories such as Iran, Iraq, Qatar, UAE, and so on. I can see there are some colors such as red, blue, black, and green. I can see there are some numbers such as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and so on. I can see there are maximum and minimum. To conclude, it is very beautiful picture. So what I did in this template, that like as you can see in the template, I have given some spaces. Like this is a dash chart. Now you can fill in the spaces like whatever the chart you are given, either line chart, bar chart, pie chart, or table chart. And after that there is a topic written in the blank after about, which gives information about. Then you can mention the topic which will be given on the picture at the top of the picture mainly. Okay, but in some cases if it is not given, then you can use any of the words from the picture. Like if we are not given with the oil production capacity, we could use millions of barrels per day. Okay, so you can use this as your topic for this chart. I used the phrase I can see there are some, and after that I was just changing the categories or colors or numbers, just changing these words. Okay, like you can use the categories the below mentioned, like Iran, Iraq in this picture. And colors, like if you are not given the colors specifically in this chart, then you may simply say that red, blue, black, and green, or whatever you have in your mind, you can simply say about that as well. And then numbers will be given on the vertical line of the chart, or sometimes these are not mentioned in the picture, so that's why you may just make it on your own, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another one, I used maximum and minimum. So it's just for filling the gap or filling the sentence for just content purpose. You may simply, and last I just said to conclude. It is very beautiful picture, so you can use it in every picture as your ending sentence, and then you just have to click on the submit, and then you will be directed to the next question. For any further information, you can visit our office or contact the numbers below. Thank you.